Techo-Bloc is a premier manufacturer of pavers with various fire pit kits that are easy to assemble. In this video, you will learn how to assemble the Raffinato Fire Pit with Warmingtron's CROSSFIRE brass burner technology. Stack your first course of block. It is important to ensure that the first course is level. Stack your second course of block. At this course, you will be installing the vents and mounting bracket provided in your Techo-Bloc kit. The Techo-Bloc vent kits have been developed to support the next course of block. Make sure that you have positioned your vent to be flush with the outer wall of your feature. You're now ready to install your Warmingtron's mounting bracket. It is easiest to connect your gas lines at this stage. Using a crescent or pipe wrench, tighten your flex line fitting clockwise to the flared fitting currently installed on your mounting bracket. If you are using the LP version of the kit, you will install your LP hose to the bracket as well. Use your wrench to tighten the propane hose to the flared fitting currently connected to your bracket. If your plumber is connecting the key valve to a natural gas source, they will connect the gas stub inside of the feature to the inlet side of the key valve at this stage. Now connect the push button wires that are currently mounted to your Warmingtron system to the control module on your mounting bracket. If you are struggling to connect the wires with your fingers, you can also use some needle nose pliers to connect the wires. You will need to install the battery into the push button. Insert your battery with the positive side towards the front. Rescrew the button securely to the mounting bracket. Once you have finished connecting your gas lines and push button igniter, place your bracket so that it is flush with the outer wall of the fire feature. You are now ready to stack your third course of block. Now prep and install your collars. To ensure that your collars are in the correct position, you will use one of the capstones provided with your Techo-Bloc kit. Once you have placed your capstone on the feature, measure 4 inches from the top of the capstone and mark that position on your third course of block. It is important to ensure that your collar is level. Now use your collar to mark where you will drill your pilot holes for your masonry bit. Now drill your pilot holes for your collar. This is done easiest by turning the block vertically to give you better leverage while drilling. Once complete, align your collar with the holes and use your Tapcon screws to secure the collar into place. Repeat this process until you have all of your collars mounted. Now stack your capstone. At this stage, you will connect your flex line that was installed to your push button bracket earlier to your burner system. Use your crescent or pipe wrench to connect your flex line to the flared fitting currently installed on your burner system. Now you're ready to pour your lava into the fire pit. Make sure that you do not pour the lava directly over the top of the burner. It is best to place the lava into the opening and slowly spread it into the pit. This ensures that none of the dust or smaller rocks clog the jets and create issues with burner functionality. Congratulations! You've now finished installing your Raffinato Fire Pit by Techo-Bloc. Enjoy!